Isn't that Charlie?
Looks like it.
Hey, hey!
Hey! Come on over to the front door.
All right, I'll be right up.
Hey, Charlie. Welcome to the Peninsula.
This is truly beachfront.
Charlie,
Good
come
to
on
see
in,
you.
let's take a look.
Absolutely.
This is a dream right on the beach. Welcome.
I get where the name comes from, because I feel like I'm dreaming seeing this much beach. This gives new meaning to the phrase sandcastle. Everywhere you are in this house, bang, that's the focal point right there.
Yep. Beautiful, beautiful views. Coastline from Pacific Palisades all the way down to Newport Beach.
It's incredible. And this is obviously one of the most iconic beachfronts in all the world.
Yes.
And to be able to have this and have this amount of privacy.
Well, we're situated on the Long Beach Peninsula, and we are situated on the ocean side, but directly behind us is the bay, Los Alamitos Bay. And so while you have ocean waves on our side and beautiful sunsets, on the back side of us, you have calm waters for family swimming or laying out, paddle boarding, kayaking. So it's really ideal for ocean living.
As we're looking out here, we're seeing people catch about 20 feet of air windsurfing, and there's all sorts of water activity and boating going on out here. This is really the entertainment, huh?
We've got 2nd Street, we've got 2nd and PCH, all the amenities, some of the best restaurants, dining, bar scene. It's really got everything to offer.
We have Shoreline Village, which has the aquarium, Long Beach Aquarium.
It's incredible.
Most importantly, Long Beach is going to host more than 11 individual events for the 2028 Olympics. Wow. And many of those will be right outside this window.
Incredible.
Yeah.
How do these floors break down?
So downstairs we've got a primary suite with a beautiful bathroom, corner unit, and it's gonna have beautiful views all the way from Catalina to downtown Long Beach at night. You've got 2 additional bedrooms downstairs. Both bedrooms, one can hold a queen-size bed, the other has 2 twin beds. Those share a bathroom, and you've got your laundry room downstairs as well.
And then how about the upstairs here?
Upstairs, you've got an open floor plan, a gourmet kitchen, top-of-the-line appliances, and you've got an outdoor lanai for entertainment.
The lanai is intended to have outdoor space. It has a ceiling and 3 walls, but gets the fresh air from the ocean, and you feel like you're outside with a little bit of cover of the elements. And then downstairs where the bedrooms are, there's grass. We're the only people on the entire peninsula with grass right in front of their house, and then you can just lay out in the Adirondack chairs.
It's incredible. I feel like you have considered every detail for the perfect vacation, from the comfy leather couches to the views. What are some of your favorite elements that the guests get to enjoy?
The fact that everything's brand new. From the plumbing behind the walls, to the floors, to the furniture, we did everything from scratch. So I love that component. And I love the fact that the views are so prominent in the guest living area. Where you congregate and hang out, you've always got the view as the background.
I can't think of anything better than living your dream day out here in Southern California and ending with that view and a nice glass of wine.
Well, you don't have to ask me twice. Why don't we do that? Let's go have one.
That sounds like a plan to me. This feels like championship night at the Staples Center right here. I'll be Phil Jackson. That is too beautiful. Well, cheers to Long Beach.
To Long Beach.
Long Beach. Cheers.
If they made wine drinking an Olympic sport, we could have a gold medalist team right here.
For sure.